What are you doing?
Practicing my kung fu move. Broke it right in half.
Listen, guys. Listen, guys. I'm back. Like I never left. Like, listen, guys. I'm back. Like I never left. 2 weeks without me. How was that? It's been a minute. I'm gonna need a minute. All right, guys, we are back like I've never left. I can't do that because we are back like I never left, folks.
Not like that.
After leaving you high and dry last weekend. Hey, dudes. Hey, guys. Hey. Hey, dudes. It's been a long time. Whole 2 weeks. As you can see. I'm nervous. Guys, I left you guys. Listen, guys. I left you high and dry last weekend. I was planning on putting out a video for you guys, but the parts that we were putting on today just decided not to show up. And we were up in Idaho. So today we finally got, first gen hasn't had a bumper on it for the 2 years that I owned it. It came with one of the big chrome ones, and they rhino lined it, and it wasn't nice, so I stripped it off because no bumper's the best bumper. But right here, we have finally got us a nice Amazon special roll pan. I'll leave the link for this and the tonneau cover in the description down below. So if any of you first gen guys want one of these, you can get it. But just a bolt on. We're gonna paint it matte black to match the rest of the rhino lined first gen. And then we also got a tonneau cover. So it's a tripod tonneau cover for an 8-foot bed. This was also off Amazon. I should have the link for it down below as well. But trifold cloth. Needed something so that no one steals my batteries and water doesn't get in the fuel tank or the fuel cell. So we're gonna get probably this held up, the holes drilled, so I can get it painted, and we can just throw it on tomorrow. And also get tonneau cover thrown on. So sorry, it's been a minute, but baby, we back. Pops, while you're out and about, why don't you give the people an update on the old gasser?
Oh. Well, we got the new clutch, got the new clutch, got the new pressure plate, new throw out bearing, new, all that new clutch stuff. And my power steering pump was leaking, so we done rebuilt it. Just got it done, put new seals, all that good stuff in it. We had a few skiwampus bolts that somebody else had everything kind of hooked up funky, so got some new bolts, and we're just getting ready to bolt everything back up and give it a test run, make sure we ain't got no leaks. And then it's on to the next problem. Probably body work, I guess. Other than that, that's the update. She runs, she drives. Just gotta get all the little things fixed. That's about it.
So we got this mocked up. I'm gonna paint it matte black. So I just wanted to get the holes drilled tonight so that everything's there, and then I'll just scratch this up, paint it with some primer matte black to match the old first gen's rhino line job here and throw it on tomorrow. First in, I'll finally have a hitch. Came with a license plate light too, so I'll just have to wire that in. But we're gonna see if this old tonneau cover will fit on here now.
Yeah, so I think those are just added safety straps. So put it on and slide it as far forward as you can get it.
Just magnet this to the side of the old Gen 1. You old Ford owners wouldn't understand.
The old all steel bed panel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let me out of here.
And a 1 and a 2. Bam. Quick and painless.
Feel like a new man. Okay.
Your bed cover makes the truck look new.
We could probably try the tailgate on real quick just to see if it.
That looks sick, dude. Okay, time for tailgate fitment. What's this strap?
The Trifecta 2.0.
Yeah, I'd say you're just right.
So that'll wrap up for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll get this matte blacked, get the bolts put in, and
Yeah, we need to see how that's. Let's put this down and test.
it doesn't fit at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got plenty of room over there. So.
Paint that bad boy tomorrow. That was quick and easy to install, man.
That was slick. Slick.
It's in the street.
Yeah, that's a strap. I thought it was gonna be one of those ones that just
So did I, but until I saw the box that said trifold, and I was like, oh, it's gonna.
This is better one. I think this is
This
got a little support.
this
in there.
equals speed.
Aerodynamics.
Yeah, more miles per hour right there. Looking like a truck with a rear bumper now. I haven't seen that looking since I've owned it.
Right. Oh, be your farm truck. Now it's gonna look too nice.
Yep. So tomorrow we'll wrap up. We'll get this painted and get it thrown on, and we'll wrap up tomorrow.
Peace.
Let me in.
Sometimes I wonder.
Wonder what?
We got the deluxe let me in set.
I locked the keys in the second gen.
You think
Pops to the
think
rescue.
We could do one of these.
Oh, either that or the unlock switch, which I can't even see. We have successfully. Nothing's wrong with it. I just left the keys in it. Bam. We are in.
How long did that take you? 15 minutes?
Boom. Alrighty. Pops saved me from the gym. Thanks, Pops. Now we're gonna get the roll pan pulled off, scuff it up, and we're just gonna paint it with some flame-proof header paint.
Nice. Gets hot back here.
Matte black. Doesn't need to look that good. It'll give it a nice antique fade, which is just what we need. So let's get this puppy off and sanded and throw him back on. Final piece of the puzzle, the old Gen 1 license plate. No more zip ties. Nice and finally
Professional.
mounted up.
Custom.
Boom.
Oh yeah, looking good.
Now we can just throw the tailgate back on.
Oh,
Looks like a completed truck.
now we need to do some make it look like it's all rusty down here too.
No.
Like give it
There
that.
we go.
Give it that used, worn, patina look.
Well, that's the roll pan and trifecta bed cover on here. Roll pan, don't really recommend. Wasn't horrible, install wasn't terrible, but every hole you had to drill was behind like boxed bed mounts, so you had to it wasn't a good time. But we got it came with a light, and we just tied it in right to a factory plug so it can unplug. And then the trifecta, probably one of the easiest installing tonneau covers me and the old man have probably ever done.
Ever.
So screwdriver. But it literally just pulls down your little handles and folds right up.
Bammer jammer.
So good purchase. But oh yeah, had this truck for now like 2.5 years and we've never had a bumper on it. So kind of completes the look. Looks a little weird right now because I'm used to no bumper, but looks pretty good. Fits pretty decent. Can't complain. And for I think it was like $100 on Amazon. You know, I like my women like I like my trucks with a flat ass. We've also been trying to figure out why I can't spool this charger. And we were talking with the guy about the trouble from. He talked to Will at Power Driven and Seth, my pump builder, and they all think that it's my injectors because these are just some 5x18s. They're plenty big, but they want me to get some DDP stuff. So I think that'll probably be the next route. Obviously, I need a converter to spool it from a stop, but out on the roads, it shouldn't be taking as long as it does to spool. So we'll probably do injectors at some point. In 2 weeks, we'll be at Daily Driven's dyno event. We'll probably dyno this setup, see how it does on the dyno, and then maybe change injectors and go from there. My friend has a set that we might try swapping out, so I don't have to spend $1,800 for it to not fix my problem. We know it needs a converter, obviously, for a bottom end spool up, but we're back. Videos should be back. We should have a video every now for you for a little bit from now. Yeah, you understand, but thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.